Yeah.
3.
Whoa.
All you do is grab like this. If you just pull, you got your chewed gum, and then you stretch it. It's like a signed mirror.
I'm blown away. How did you do that?
Take the gum, and it magically wraps itself.
Magically take it out.
No. It's just through my hand permanently. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you how to do 5 easy magic tricks.
Easy peasy.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button for me and let's go. This first one is a mind-blowing trick that really gets your spectator involved. Check it out. Okay, V, I have a really cool trick to show you. This is actually one of my favorite tricks of all time. So I have this little mirror here, as you can see. See your reflection there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's just blank on the back. So here's the idea. I have a pen in my pocket. So what I want you to do is actually sign the mirror. Okay. You're gonna take the marker here and you're going to sign the front of the mirror.
Anything.
You can sign, you can write whatever you want,
okay.
But put your signature across there. You could draw something if you wanted. Okay.
I'm not the greatest artist.
That's all right.
But it's unique.
It is.
I've not done that one.
Show the camera what you did there.
Smiley, heart.
Okay, so you've got the mirror signed. Hold it for me right here by the corner. Perfect.
Good.
Now, do you have your phone on you?
Yes.
Can I have it, please? Okay, hold up the mirror.
Hold it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna take your picture.
Are you?
Yeah, just like that. Smile.
Okay.
Okay. Awesome.
Take
All right. Okay, I'll take this and we'll just set the mirror aside. Now I actually have a deck of cards over here. These are all different cards, you can see. What I want you to do is think of any number between 1 and 10.
Say it out loud?
Yeah, whatever it is.
7.
7. So count 7 cards off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just like that.
Okay.
Count 7 cards into a pile like I just did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Look at the card that you dealt.
Okay. On the top one?
Yeah, take a look at it. Okay, 3 of hearts. Okay, 3 of hearts.
Yes.
Got it? 3 of hearts.
Card.
Okay, so you could have picked any of these cards, right?
Yeah.
Any of these in here, right?
Yeah.
Could have been any of them. Okay,
I mean, I count. Yeah.
Right, 3 of hearts. So
I picked a number, counted that. Yeah.
we took a picture on your phone a second ago of you holding the mirror. Look at the picture on your phone.
Are you kidding?
Look at the picture.
Look at the picture. That is the card my son. Oh, what? How do you? Oh my goodness! I'm blown away. How did you do that?
All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here is the secret behind making someone's signed and selected card appear in a picture on their phone. This is a magic mirror card. This does all the work for you. Let me explain. I've kind of made it my mission to seek out what I think are the coolest magic tricks in the entire world, and this one is definitely in my top 10 right now. When I first saw this trick, it blew my mind. And I knew I really wanted to carry it in the shop. So I was able to secure a partnership with the creator of the trick in Japan. So this is super exclusive. I'm making it available to you guys. We have a limited number of them available at EvanEraTV.com. There's a link in the description if you want to get one. It's a super premium trick, and this will last for thousands of performances if you take care of it. You can do it over and over. Let me show you the mechanics of how this ingenious trick works. So first things first, here's what you will receive. You will get the magic mirror card. It's just white on one side, and it's a silver reflective mirror on the other side. You'll also receive 1 dry erase marker and printed instructions on how to do the trick. So you're going to start out by having your spectators sign the little mirror. They can sign it however they want. They can draw something on it. They can do whatever they want here. Put my signature. Once they've signed it, you're then going to take their smartphone or a camera and you're going to pull up the camera app. So what's key is making sure that the flash is turned on. Make sure it's in the on position when you take the photo. So to the spectator, this just looks like a signed mirror. You ask them to hold it up like this in front of their face, ask to borrow their phone and snap a picture. Make sure the flash is turned on, then when you take the picture with their phone, the card will be magically revealed in the picture, but you don't show it to them yet. So what's actually happening here is the light on my phone, the flash on the phone, will actually reveal the card behind the rainbow film. This trick was created by a Japanese magician named Higar. Absolutely amazing. So with the light on, you can see the card revealed. So that's how it shows up in the picture. But with with the light off, you can obviously see it just looks like a little mirror. So the magic mirror card does all the work for you. So once you've taken the picture on their phone, it'll turn out like this. And you want to sit that face down. You don't want to let them see it yet. To them, all they've done is held up the little mirror and you've taken a picture of them holding it after they signed it. Now you're going to pull out a deck of cards. Now your only setup for the trick with the deck is to find the corresponding card to your mirror card. In this case, it's the 3 of hearts. You'll want to check your mirror card when you receive it. You can simply take a picture with your phone with the flash on. The instructions for the magic mirror card trick, they include instructions on how to do a simple card force. That is how to make your spectator pick a card that you want them to pick. In this case, it's the same card that our mirror card is, the 3 of hearts. So we have the 3 of hearts on top of the deck, just like this. You tell them to cut the cards wherever they want. They cut them and they leave the cut open. Now all you do is grab the bottom half of the deck and sit it on top of the portion that they cut off. So you've got it here, you then misdirect their attention for a second, and then come right back here, lift this up, and point to the card that they cut to. It's actually the top card of the deck, our force card. Now the other force I showed in the video, the one I did in performance, is a simple countdown force. You say think of a number between 1 and 10, and you count off the number of cards that they say. Gather them up, and then put them back on top of the deck, and tell them to deal out 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the card that they stop on is our force card. So super simple, couple little card forces that you can do there. I also have a video called 10 ways to force a card if you're not familiar with how to make somebody pick a card. You're now going to lose this card back into the deck and put it aside. Then going to say, now you could have picked any card in the deck, right? And they'll be like, yeah, it was a free choice. That's when you direct their attention to their phone. They open it up and look at the picture, and they're going to be absolutely shocked to see the card that they selected now has their signature on it in the picture that they just took of them holding the little mirror. The coolest thing about this trick is that this picture will stay on their phone forever, and every time they're scrolling through their pictures in their camera roll and they see it, they'll be reminded of you and your amazing magic. It's a souvenir that they can keep in a digital form and show other people and spread the legend of your amazing tricks. Then once the trick is over, you can simply take a little piece of paper towel and wipe this off, and you're ready to go for another performance. So you can instantly repeat this for somebody else. It's guaranteed to blow people's minds every time, and it's as simple as taking a picture. Pick yours up today and start capturing the magic yourself. And that is the secret of the magic mirror card. Okay, this is an easy one to do to impress your friends and family with stuff you probably already have laying around the house. Check it out. Okay, I have a cool trick to show you with this pen.
Okay.
So, see the cap of the pen right here?
Yeah.
See a little clip on it that you like clip it on your pocket with?
Yeah, it's a pen.
Watch. I'm gonna take the pen clip. Watch the clip on the pen, okay?
Okay.
All you do is grab like this. If you just pull,
Oh, whoa.
actually move
Whoa.
down the pen just like that. Now watch on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You actually jump
Whoa.
right back down just like
What is happening? Okay. I don't know. I would love to know how you just did that.
Here is the simple setup behind this amazing illusion. Okay, for this one, you're gonna need 2 identical ink pens. You're only going to need the cap off of one. You can put the body of the pen aside. So we're gonna start out by cutting the clip off of this pen cap. You're gonna do that by using an X-Acto knife or a pair of scissors. If you're a kid, you wanna get a parent's help with this. And we're just gonna start out by cutting it right along this edge and then on this other edge right here. Once you have it cut on the sides, you're then going to cut the clip out from the cap. So now that you have the clip cut out from the cap, you can throw the rest of this part away. This is all we need. Now this next part is kind of dealer's choice. You can use double-sided tape or glue. All you're going to do is stick the clip on the opposite side from where the real clip on the cap is. So if the clip on the cap is on this side, you want to rotate the pen over and put the clip on the bottom of the pen. You want to glue it in place right there. So once you have it stuck in place like this, you're good to go. So this is super easy to set up at home. Now all you have to do is hold the pen by the cap and face this part towards your audience. Now your whole hand comes over and covers the front part of the pen like this to cover you twisting it around like that. So it's here, hand comes over, and it looks like you pull the clip down off the cap of the pen. This, if you just pull.
Oh, whoa.
Then to make the clip reattach, all you do is grab right here in the middle, simply move your hand up and down as you give it a twist. 1, 2, 3. You actually jump.
What?
So boom, just like that. So now this is hidden behind and the real clip is exposed. And that is how you do the magic moving pen clip. Okay, here's 2 tricks in one to double your fun. Sorry.
Why did you just do that?
Watch, I'm gonna turn back time.
Whoa! I just came out of your mouth. That's cool.
The secret to this one is a lot more simple than you might think. Check it out. Okay, here is the secret of the magic gum trick. So you've got your chewed gum, and then you stretch it into a fully restored piece of gum, and then you just shake it, and now it is once again in a wrapper. Super easy to do. This is actually just a little gimmick, a little plastic piece of chewed gum mixed with restored gum, and then on the other side, there's a wrapper. Really easy. It's like 2 tricks in one. So here's how the handling goes. So you're going to start out with this concealed in your hand, just like so, and you want this mound of the unchewed gum to be at your fingertips. You're gonna hide that right behind the tips of your fingers and hold it with your thumb. So now you can push that out just like that, and it looks like a wad of gum. So you're here, there. This is how you're gonna make it look like you take this out of your mouth. So you're gonna deploy a little bit of acting skills here, act like you're chewing gum, and then spit it out. So you're just bringing it from behind your fingers as your hand comes up to your mouth. Now that you have the wad of gum here at your fingertips, it's just as simple as dragging it out like that, and you're covering here with the other fingertips. So we're bringing it up to our mouth, we're exposing just the wad of gum right there, and then we're doing the reveal of the restored piece, just dragging it out just like that, revealing that front part. It looks like a restored stick of gum. Now, in order to make it change, as you can see, we have the back side here, which has the double mint wrapper. All you're gonna do is flip the entire thing over. There's one quick motion, that big motion of the hands moving up and down covers the small twist. So you have the restored stick of gum here at your fingertips, and then you just wave it, and it magically wraps itself. Stay tuned until the end of the video. I'm giving away this gimmick to 1 lucky comment so that you can perform this trick at home. It could be you. And that is how you do the magic double mint gum trick. Not an ad, but it could be. Send us some gum. Here's an easy do-it-yourself trick that you can set up at home. Take a look. Okay, Via, I have a cool trick to show you with a drinking straw. You ready?
Yeah.
Here, watch. Yes. I'm gonna take my hand. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
Actually goes through.
Are you okay?
Fine.
I usually
It's magic.
Okay.
Okay. You see?
Slowly, magically take it out.
No. It's just through my hand first. Like we need to go to the hospital. Okay, here's the simple setup behind this astonishing illusion. Okay, all you're gonna need to set this up at home are 2 straws. That is 2 straws that are exactly the same, a pair of scissors, and some rubber cement or glue. Start out, you're gonna take one of your straws and you're gonna cut it about there. You want to cut off a portion about 3 or 4 inches long, or the length of your index finger. You can set the rest of this straw aside, you won't need it. Now you want to come over here to your other straw that's intact, and you want to cut your other straw off on the bottom, maybe just an inch or 2. You can toss this little piece aside, you won't need it. So here's what you need. Now you're gonna take this piece and cut right down the side of it just like this. So now you can open up this piece on the side like this. And what we're going to do is slide that around the other piece of straw, just like so. So now we have this extended out to about the normal length of a straw. We can hold it here at the bend and make it look like it goes through our hand. Because we have this retractable piece here that will slide up and down, really creates a convincing illusion that is disappearing into my hand. Just take the straw and that's the first part of the illusion. Now we're gonna come back to one of our little scrap pieces that we set aside. Here's how you create the second part of the trick. This is the kicker that really blows people away. Here is where your rubber cement is gonna come into play. You're gonna take the end of that straw piece and it's gonna put a little tiny dab right there on the end of it. You're then going to come over to the back of your hand and you're going to stick that straw in place right on the back, right in the middle, and just hold it there for a second and let that rubber cement set up where it's gonna stick just like that. Give it a moment to dry. So now combined with the straw on the other side, we create a really convincing illusion that this straw is just going straight through your hand. So once you have this set up, the key is really making sure that they don't see this piece attached to the back of your hand. So you're just gonna hold your hand in such a way that they're not going to see it. Until you're here, boom, straw goes through the hand, and then you show the back side. They're gonna totally freak out. It looks like the straw is going right through your hand. A crazy and cool illusion that you can pull off at home right now. And that is how you do the magic straw through the hand trick. Alright guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it. You can share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, text or email it to a friend. The magic mirror card trick is available now at EvanEraTV.com. Head over to the website if you want to pick one up. The link is in the description. We do have a limited supply of the first run. This is a super exclusive trick, so head over to the shop now and place your order before they sell out. We also have a lot of other cool magic tricks on the shop and some really cool and comfortable Laugh at Life gear. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. I'm giving away the gum trick, I'm giving away Rainbow Silver, the magic mirror card, giving away a pen and a straw. No, I'm just kidding. I'm giving away 3 of the magic mirror cards, and I'm gonna give away 3 of the gum tricks to 6 comments in the comment section below. If you want to win either one, just give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, leave as many comments as you can in the comment section, because I'll go through and pick random ones, and if you leave more comments, a good chance that your comment will be the one that I pick, and you'll have a better chance of winning one of these things for free. So comment, 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 and thumbs up the video. Okay, it's time to announce our giveaway winners from the last How To Magic video. The winners are these names right here. Send me a private message on YouTube with your full mailing address to claim your prize. Congrats to everyone who won the last giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button there and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. Check out the last How To Magic episode right over there. Check out the shop right down there if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. The vlog channel is down there. It's my second channel on YouTube. Subscribe to that as well, and until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.